Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Diary. So here I came with a series of how to crochet alphabet letters. So first thing first, we're gonna crochet letter A. So for this you can use any kind of yarn with a suitable hook size. If you get a bigger size crochet hook and a bigger size yarn, you will get a bigger project. And also if you want a smaller size, you can just switch into a smaller size crochet hook and a thinner yarn, and you can make a smaller size using the same pattern. So here I started with a slip knot and then make 31 chains. Okay, here I made 31 chains and this is how it looks like. Now we're going to turn our work like this and we're going to work into this back bump here. Behind the chain you can see a bump here, so we're going to work into that bump. So we're going to work a half double crochet into the third chain. So just count the third chain and then turn your work back and then insert the hook from this back bump and then work a half double crochet. Okay, here we made our first half double crochet. Now from here make one half double crochet in each next 9 chain spaces. So with that first half double crochet, total you should have 10 half double crochets. And keep remember to work the half double crochet into that chains behind loop. So this is our third half double crochet and this is our fourth half double crochet, and then continue 6 more half double crochets. So just count, you should have 10 half double crochets in total. Okay, here we made 10 half double crochets and this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna do is 3 half double crochets together to the next 3 chain spaces. So for that, yarn over and then insert the hook from the next chain space and then start to work a half double crochet but don't finish it. Again yarn over and then insert the hook from the next chain space, which is the second loop, and pull up your loop, don't finish it. Now again yarn over and then insert the hook from the third chain space, which is the next chain space, and then pull up your loop. Now we have total 7 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and then pull through from all the loops. So here we made 3 half double crochets together. Basically this is gonna be a decrease. Now yarn over and then insert the hook from the next chain space and then work 1 half double crochet. Next chain space mean you had to work into that back bump only. Now here we are working on 1 half double crochet. Now into next 3 chain spaces again we're gonna do a decrease, 3 half double crochets together. For that yarn over and then insert the hook from the next chain space, back bump here, and then pull up your loop, don't finish it. Again yarn over and then insert the hook from the next chain space and then pull up your loop. Again yarn over and then insert the hook from the third chain space and then pull up your loop. So here you should have total 7 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and then pull through from all the loops. So here we made a decrease, 3 half double crochets together. Now from here make 1 half double crochet in each next 10 chain spaces. Okay, here we made 1 half double crochet in each 10 chain spaces. Now you can see we have 2 chain spaces left. So here we're going to do a decrease. So insert the hook from the next chain space and then pull up your loop, don't finish it. Again yarn over and then insert the hook from the next chain space and then pull up your loop. Here we're going to do 2 half double crochets together. So now you have 5 loops on our hook and then yarn over and then pull through from all the loops. So here we made 2 half double crochets together. Now work chain 1. Now turn your work like this. Now insert the hook from the next chain space and then make a slip stitch here. Now here you notice we have 3 loops. Now insert from this front loop, just turn back and then see here is our actual chain of that half double crochet. So you should insert from this loop, these 2 loops, and then make a slip stitch. Okay, this is our first slip stitch. Now from here make 6 more slip stitches to the next 6 chain spaces. So this is our second slip stitch. Now here goes third slip stitch, and then into the next chain space our fourth slip stitch. Now into the next chain space make our fifth slip stitch, and into the next chain space, 6th, and then the last one, the 7th one, into the next chain space. So here we made 7 slip stitches. Now from here make 3 chains. Okay, here we made 3 chains. Now we're gonna do is, from this first decrease, the stitch starts at the first, second, third, fourth, and in the 5th one. So we have to join this 3 chains to the 5th chain space from the opposite side. So from this decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one is here. So into this 5th one, make a slip stitch. Okay, here we join our 3 chains, and this is how it looks like. Now from here, we're gonna do is make 2 slip stitches to the next 2 chain spaces. So here is the first slip stitch, and into the next chain space, make another slip stitch. Here we made 2 slip stitches. Now you have to turn your work like this. Now we're gonna fill these 3 chain spaces. So for that, yarn over, and then into the first chain space, make 2 half double crochets into the same space. So when you insert through this chain space, you have to insert from both loop like this, and then make 2 half double crochets into the same space. So this is our first half double crochet, and then make 1 more into the same space. Okay, we made 2 half double crochets into the same space. Now into the next chain space, which is the middle chain, work 1 half double crochet. Okay, we made 1 half double crochet. Now into the next chain space, which is the last chain space, make 2 half double crochets into the same space. Okay, here we fill this middle part. Now we're gonna join this part. So for that, skip 1 chain space from here, and then into the next chain space, make a slip stitch. Okay, here we made. Now from here make chain 1 and then cut off the yarn. So here we done our letter A, and this is how it looks like. Now all you have to do is hide this little tail behind of this project. So for that I'm taking a needle. Hide this little tail using a needle. I feel it's easier than the crochet hook. So here I'm passing through the nearest loop and then secure it, and then I will cut off the extra yarn. Okay, here we done our letter A, and this is how it looks like. It's super cute and it's super easy to make. So this series is going to be continued. Just stay tuned to learn to crochet all the letters. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another beautiful tutorial. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.